A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our class. This is my 6th video for lesson 2 measurement. This class you learn about shapes. Already you know the shapes square, rectangle and triangle. Once I recall that. Okay. First one, you see square. Square having 4 sides and also 4 sides are equal. Square having 4 sides and 4 sides are equal. That is the 4 sides is 90 degree. Okay. Square having 4 sides and 4 sides are equal. Next one you see rectangle. Rectangle having 4 sides. That is also having 4 sides. But here the rectangle is opposite sides are equal. Okay. Rectangle is opposite sides are equal. And also for right angle. Right angle how many degree? 90 degree. Okay. Opposite sides are equal is called rectangle. Next one triangle. Triangle having 3 sides and 3 sides are equal. And also triangle having 3 edges and 3 vertices. Edges means corner. Okay. Triangle having 3 sides. That 3 sides are equal. Next one parallelogram. The shapes looks like a rectangle because the opposite sides are equal and parallel. But the adjacent side do not make right angle. Okay. Idu vandu right angle make pannadu. Okay. Even though the opposite sides are equal and parallel, the adjacent side do not make right angles. Instead they make acute and obtuse angle. Okay. Next one you see a rhombus. All the sides are equal and looks like a square. But the adjacent side are not make a right angle. But the adjacent side do not make the right angle. That is called rhombus. Okay. Next one trapezium. The pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Trapezium lena the pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is called trapezium. Okay. Let us learn about all the three new shapes, namely parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Lesson 2 measurement having 3 shapes, that is parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Parallelogram. In this lesson you are going to learn about how to calculate the area and perimeter of the parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to sum of the length of the 4 sides. Parallelogram having 4 sides. So 4 sides, sum of the 4 sides is called perimeter. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. This is a formula. You remember that area is equal to base into height square unit. Okay. See the example 2.1. Find the area and perimeter of the parallelogram given in the figure. See the figure. That is height. Height is 4 cm. One side is 5 cm. Another one side is 15 cm. Already you know that parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So here 5 cm. Here also 5 cm. Here 15. Here also 15 cm. Okay. Solution. Perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to sum of the 4 sides. Sum of the 4 sides. Here 2 sides are given. Already you know that opposite sides are equal. So here 5 cm. Here also 5. Here 15. Here also 15 cm. So 5 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15. Okay. Perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to sum of the 4 sides. 5 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15. Okay. Add panna 15 plus 15 30. 35 40. So perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 40 cm. Okay. Perimeter is equal to 40 cm. Next you calculate area. You know the formula about area of the perimeter. Sorry, area of the parallelogram. Area is equal to base into height square unit. Base is 15 cm. Height is 4 cm. So base is equal to 15. Height is equal to 4. Base 15 into 4. 15 4s are 60. Listen, look at that. Here 15 cm. Here 4 cm. 15 4s are 60. Centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square. So area of the parallelogram is equal to centimeter 60 centimeter square. Are you understand? Okay. Next example 2.2. one of the sides and the corresponding height of the parallelogram are 12 cm and 8 cm respectively. Find the area of the parallelogram. Listen, one of the sides and the corresponding height. Now listen, one of the side and its corresponding height, that is the height, okay. One of the side and its corresponding height of the parallelogram is 12 cm and 8 cm. Or you understand this diagram? So here base is 12 cm, height is 8 cm. Find the area of the parallelogram. Already know the formula. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square unit. Height is 8 cm, base is 12 cm. So base 12, height 8. 12 8s are 96. Here centimeter, here centimeter. 98 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So find the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is 96 centimeter square. Are you understand this? Okay, good. See the example 2.3. Find the height h of the parallelogram whose area and base are 368 square centimeter and 23 centimeter respectively. Dear students, square centimeter அப்படினாலும் centimeter square அப்படினாலும் equal தான், ஓகேவா? Square centimeter is equal to centimeter square. Both are equal, okay. Find the height h of the parallelogram whose area and base are, area and base both are 368 square centimeter. So both are 300 square centimeter and the base is 23 centimeter. So we can calculate the height h, okay. Already know the formula. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square unit. Area of the parallelogram is given 368 square centimeter. So area of the parallelogram is 368 is equal to base is given 23 into height. We can calculate the height, okay. Height and 23 both are multiply. So opposite multiplication opposite divide lo varum. So 368 divided by 23 is equal to h. So ரெண்டுத்தையும் cancel பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா 368 divided by 23. ரெண்டுத்தையும் cancel பண்ணோம்னா 1623 368. So 16 ரெண்டுத்தையும் cancel பண்ணா 1623 is 368. So height equal to 16 centimeter. Height of the parallelogram is equal to 16 centimeter. See that 368 divided by 23. 123 is 23. Balance 3. Here 1. Next 8. 623 is 138. Remaining 0. So 16 centimeter. Height is equal to 16 centimeter. Height of the parallelogram is 16 centimeter. Are you understand this sum? Okay, good. See the next example 2.5. The base of the parallelogram is thrice its height. Thrice its height means 3h. Thrice means 3. Okay. If the area is 192 square centimeter, find the base and height. Listen. The base of the parallelogram is thrice its height, which means base is b. Okay. B thrice its height, which means 3h. Are you understand this? Base is equal to 3 into h. The base of the parallelogram is thrice its height, which means this height is base வந்து 3h அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க, ஓகேவா. Thrice its height. If the area is 192 square centimeter, area is 192 square centimeter, find the base and the area. So base is equal to 3h, area is equal to 198 square centimeter. So already know the formula. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square unit. Area of the parallelogram is 192 is equal to base is 3h into we find out the value of h, okay. 192 3 h into h is h square, okay. Here also 1, here also 1. So h into h is square. So 192 both are multiplied. ஸோ ஆப்போசிட்டில் வரும்போது டிவைடில் வரும். 3 வந்து ஆப்போசிட்டில் வந்தால் டிவைடில் வரும். ஓகேவா? 192 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. 6 3 is 18. Balance 1. 4 3 is 12. So 60 is equal to h square. 64 is equal to h square. So h square oda value 64 அப்படினா h oda value 8. 64 is equal to h square, which means 8 into 8 is equal to h into h. 8 8s are 64. H into h square. Are you understand this? 64 is equal to h square. So h is equal to 8. Okay. So h oda value 8 அப்படினா நம்ம b oda value என்னன்னு calculate பண்ணோம். b is 3h. So 3 times of 8. So base is 3h. 3 into value of h is 8. 3 8s are 24. So base is 24 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Are you understand this sum? Dear students, if you have anybody doubt, please ask our respective group. Okay. Thank you. Take care.